Hello and welcome to Casa Linda, or also known as Villa number 5. We're so happy that you're staying with us, and I wanted to give you a quick video to make sure you have a comfortable stay with some quick tips and tricks on using Casa Linda. When you enter the home, feel free to park your car in either of the front spaces in front of the garage, as the garage we use for storage. As you enter the home, you'll notice there's going to be a trash receptacle, which is on the right-hand side of the garage, as well as you go upstairs, you are going to enter. These pathways will be lit. If you're arriving at night, we'll make sure the lights are on for you so you can see, but you can enter right up this pathway onto the front porch. As you arrive to the home, we'll be sending you the password to the door and the Wi-Fi internet information one day or the same day of arrival. As you come up to the door, all you're going to do is put in the door code, and then you'll be all set. The door will automatically unlock and you'll be free to enter the house. Upon entering the house, you'll enter right into the dining, kitchen, living area. This area does not have central AC, although we have provided screens on both of the main doors for you to use to allow the natural breezes coming from the ocean into the home for comfortable use during the day. There are also several ceiling fans and floor fans around the house that you can move around to increase ventilation. All of our bedrooms have air conditioning. This has a split unit which has a control right on the nightstand, so feel free to turn that on for comfortable night sleeping, which is included, and or if you're going to take naps during the day, but please make sure to turn off when you do leave the room. The house is cement walls, so if you leave during the day with the door closed and the AC off, it actually stays quite fresh in the rooms naturally. A little information about our kitchen area. The kitchen is well stocked with pots, pans, microwave, and all the basic appliances to enjoy your stay with us. We do have a wonderful water filtration system which allows for cold water, lukewarm water, or hot water, which is all filtered through this very professional system. So you don't need to buy a bunch of water bottles. All you need to do is have a refillable bottle or cup, and you can push one of these buttons to fill your own glass. We have our laundry area where we do have some cleaning supplies, the dryer and washer, as well as basic trash receptacles. We have one trash can, which is for general trash, and the other is for recyclables. Over here in the corner, we do have some gallons here and an extra propane tank for the barbecue should you need it. But these waters are not ideally for drinking. They are just filled with our regular well water, but they're more for emergencies, as when we don't have power to the homes, we also don't have water. So this will allow you to fill a toilet tank if necessary, and also wash dishes in the kitchen. Outside, we have the lovely pool area, which is cleaned several days a week and in the mornings by our wonderful staff. And the pool should be in great working order for you. And if you need to, there's also a net to clear out any additional leaves that might fall over the night during your stay. Out here on the patio, there is a hose where you can rinse off your feet if they're sandy from the beach. We also have our barbecue grill and sitting area. There is a light post on the back side of the rancho to turn on the bistro lights so that you can enjoy a nighttime barbecue outside by the pool. A little about our upstairs bedroom area. We have on the left-hand side the master bedroom, and on the right-hand side our guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is right here. It does have a lovely screen door to help ventilate, as well as the bathroom for this space is located right here in the hallway. The left-hand side here is the master suite. It has a wonderful connected bath and a lovely, beautiful tropical bed, as well as open doors so you can enjoy the bedrooms. It is central AC, which comes through these vents in the ceiling, and it is controlled this bedroom and the bedroom on the right. All you need to do is come over to this panel. Currently it's in the off position, but all you're going to need to do is push the cool heat off button one time, and it'll show up, and it'll hear it click on, and now it says cool on right here. So you're gonna push wait to see the cool on, and then it's automatically preset to drop. This is the drop setting, and this is the current temperature. And when you're ready to get up in the morning and turn the air conditioning off, all you have to do is push off button again, and it's already set to turn off. And lastly, we have a little information about the internet. It will be given to you at check-in, and we also have it written down in the house, but we do have a router here down below the television set, as well as one in the master bedroom. So you'll be able to connect both upstairs and downstairs, as well as watch things streamed from Netflix and other networks on the television. Should you have any other questions during your stay, please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message, as we want to make sure you have a wonderful stay in Casa Linda. Thank you for watching.